Hey guys, welcome back. Before we start cooking, we would like to show you what we have found on our short walk in the forest. Autumn is the most rewarding season, and we encourage you to go out and pick some fresh mushrooms. It is imperative to know them, of course, because some of them are quite dangerous. The parasol mushroom, for example, is delicious fried in a pan. This one is the king of mushrooms in our region, the Boletus edulis, also called penny bun or porcini. You can make an amazing pasta or risotto with it. And last but not least, the saffron milkcap. It is very tasty if it is fried in a pan until golden brown. You can find many recipes with them in our videos. Go check them out. Now back to today's recipe. I heard you, brother. You know who you are. We will make seared pork chops with pears and plums. It is the perfect meal on a cozy autumn evening. We start by cleaning the pears. We cut them in half and we take out the core along with the stalk. We do the same with the plums. We will use 3 kinds of plums. 2 of them are a bit sour, which will balance the sweetness of the pears quite nicely. The prep is done, so we continue by adding some vegetable oil in a hot cast iron pan. We add our pork chops and we season them with salt and ground pepper. We sear them on both sides. We add a touch of water to help the cooking process. When the meat is almost ready, we add the plums and a touch of sugar. We sear them for a few minutes, and if the plums are firm, we add a touch of water. When they are nice and caramelized, we add the pears. We add them last because they are ripe and they just need a few seconds. As a last touch, but a very important one, we add some cointreau. This liquor will infuse our caramelized fruits with a hint of orange, and it gives a more complex, more rounded flavor. Our meal is ready to be served. It is very easy to make. Just be sure to not overcook the pork or the fruits. And always add the juice from the pan on top of the meat. You simply can't go wrong with this dish. The seared pork chops with the caramelized fruits are a perfect combination. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. See you on the next one.